Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me quarantine edition. It's going to be super simple, super light makeup just to wear around the house, just to put a little bit of makeup on your face. So to start off, I'm going to use this e.l.f. putty primer. It's a poreless putty primer, like this. And I'm going to rub it on my fingers. And I'm going to put this on my cheeks because I have larger pores here. And then the other side. So I've been using this product for a while already. I really like it. On the nose. And then just pat it in. I like to put some right here, right in between my eyebrows too. And just pat it in again. So I have not been wearing any makeup lately these days because we can't leave the house. But what I have been doing is putting a little bit of foundation, a little bit of concealer to just kind of even out everything. So I'm going to use this Revlon Candid foundation. This has been my favorite foundation for like a month or two already. It's in the shade 260. So I'm going to take this sponge and I'm just going to put it all over my face. So this foundation is really light, but it really does cover everything. It covers up these little zits that I have in my forehead. So to conceal, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer. I'm just going to use a little bit right here. And a little bit right here. Just to cover up this under eyes. Blend it out. So this look usually takes about like 5 minutes. It's not super complicated, it's super simple. So since we've been in quarantine, I have been catching up on videos and watching a lot of TikTok, and I finished the Tiger King series on Netflix and I have been obsessed. That lady is crazy. Carol Baskin. Have y'all watched that? If so, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you thought about it. I finished it in like 2 days. I started watching it the first day. I watched only one video, and then the second day I watched every single other video that was on Netflix. I was addicted. Okay, so now that is blended out. To set it, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild setting powder. I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to add a little bit of powder under the eyes and then just take the rest on the face. Before I watched this series, I was seeing a lot of videos on TikTok that they were talking about it, and I understood that, like in my mind, I thought what they were saying was that the Tiger King had killed Carol Baskin's husband, and I was like, what? And it didn't make sense to me. That's why I thought he was in jail. And then when I watched it, then I understood that they think that Carol killed her husband, which I think so too. But I was under the impression before watching it that he had killed Carol Baskin's husband, and that's why he was in jail, which I was totally wrong. Once I watched it, I figured that out. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Ultra Brow Kit. This is like $4. It comes with a little wax, a light color and a darker color. I usually always just go in for the darker color. And I'm just gonna go over the top right here. Do the curve, arch, and then just fill it in. And then flick it up. So once the brows are done, I like to, after this, I like to go with a bronzer. So the bronzer I'm going to use is from Essence Cosmetics. They came out with these really cute little palettes. So they have a bronzing palette, they have 2 highlight palettes. So I'm gonna use the bronzing palette. I'm gonna take these 2 shades right here and bronze my face. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush, start from my forehead, and the other side, and then the other cheek. So that's how the bronzer looks. It looks super pretty, super sun-kissed. And then I'm gonna go in with a blush. This is a Paradise Enchanted Peach Scented. This is a kind of like an older blush. This one launched a while ago. It's in the shade Charming. It's really cute. I'm gonna take this brush from Chic and just put a little bit, and I'm gonna start from top and then just work down. Okay, and then to highlight, I am going to take the Essence Pure Nude Highlighting Palette, the one that came in that little trio thing, and I'm going to use this one and this. I'm going to use this highlight and this one to just put a little bit of highlight to the cheeks right here. Not too much, just a little bit. So they're not so subtle, but they're also not that blinding, but they're very pretty. They're like glow from within pretty. And then I forgot to do this, so I'm going to go back into the bronzing palette and I'm going to grab some of this shade right here. You know what? Some of this darker shade. And I'm going to put that in the crease. Just to kind of tie in everything together. Blend it out. Just to put a little bit of dimension in your eyes. Looks super subtle. I'm going to use the Essence Sculpt the Volume Mascara Lash Princess just to coat my lashes with a little bit of something. So just a little bit. To set out the face makeup, I'm going to put the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And then let it dry. You can put a little bit more highlight at this time so it looks a little bit more bright. To finish off the look, I'm going to use this Ulta Girls United Gloss in the shade Not Your Average. It's just a little bit of gloss. So yeah, this is a super cute, super simple, lightweight, stick at home kind of makeup. Just a little bit of everything so you look a little bit more put together even if you're in your PJs. I do recommend these Essence palettes. They're really nice, they're very pigmented, and they're super affordable, and I'm pretty sure you can get these at Ulta or with their website. I'm going to link them in the bottom down in the description. So yes, this is the finished look. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the little bell and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.